Hey guys, this is Lego King, and today we have another review. Sorry I haven't been putting out videos lately, it's just that I had my house refurnished and stuff like that. So here we have Lego DC Universe Superheroes number 76000, ages 7, 6 to 12, Arctic Batman versus Mr. Freeze, Aquaman on ice. So the main person in the set is obviously Aquaman, the first appearance. So if I'll show you Aquaman, let's get the camera. Zoom on Aquaman. Camera, you want to zoom on Aquaman? There we go, I think. Yep, so here Aquaman, he's got his scepter. He's got really good front detailing. Really good back detailing as well. So this is the first appearance of him. It's got like Ron hair, but it's yellow, blonde. Yeah, it's really good face detailing. He's got blonde eyebrows. Next, and then we have the back one where he's angry. So yeah, Aquaman. Good that they added him in it because they needed to. Now here's the new Mr. Freeze. He does have detailing, as you can see a little bit underneath, but it's mostly covered about with this, so it's. I don't really like that, but it's okay. He has his helmet, and he has this little gun here that pops right off. And yeah. Next we have Arctic Batman. So this is basically the normal Batman. In comparison, this is the normal Batman. It's basically the same thing. It's just got a bit more utilities, and he's white and grey. So it's called Arctic. Just the normal face. The white cape, so that's new. The white hands, and then just the back detailing, like normal. And then we have this little thing here. This is supposed to be like Aquaman's trapped in there, and then you press this thing down, and it breaks open. Cool little feature that they added because they needed to have like a little, a little storyline to it. But yeah, it's not half bad. And then we have the Batboat right here. Really, really, really awesome. It's probably one of my favourite things I've ever built, really, because one, the flick fire missiles are not stupid like usual. See these? And yeah, you press this and they shoot them out really fast. Let's see if I can hit the box down. Well, it's a lot better than what we're used to, like the little skimpy little ones that no one likes, and Lego should not just keep adding them into their sets. So yeah, good features on the outside. It can activate as like a ski, a water ski, and then you can these bombs here. You can just click that off, and it looks like it's dropping down. Let's pop that back on. Yeah, so you put Arctic Batman, pop him in there. Put some stickers, sticker here, sticker on those things that shoot out, sticker there, sticker on the front. Then from the back view, so the back view here, looks pretty cool. It's got the turbine bar. Yeah, so it's a half decent set. Would I recommend that you buy it? Yes, if you're making like a Aquaman or like a Justice League set, basically. And if you're making stuff with the Justice League, it'd be cool. Yeah, you get Mr. Freeze, new Mr. Freeze, and Aquaman. The most important in this set, really. You don't really need Arctic Batman, do you? So yeah, and then we'll show you the box. That's the front. That's the back, just showing some stuff like that. Nothing really cool about the box, but yeah. That's been DC Universe Superheroes, ages 6 to 12, number 76000, Arctic Batman versus Mr. Freeze, Aquaman on ice. My rating for this is about, I don't know, 8 out of 10 because, yeah, it's cool. I would recommend you buy it if you're a DC person. And, yeah, so thank you for watching. It'd be really awesome. I'd really appreciate it if you comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what brick films I should make next. I'm gonna make videos on some more brick films, some suggestions, so soon. So thank you for watching. Later on today I might have another set out. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm Lego King. See ya.